So these are the questions for today. Before we start, why don't we check how to turn the log form into the exponential form? So this is the basic log form. And to turn that log form into the exponential form, we have to keep the base, which is a to the power of n is equal to x. So this we call exponential form. Now let's try to use that idea to find the value for each. For the value of log base 3 of 81, let's try to think that value is equal to n to make it easy. So this is the log form, and now we want to turn it into the exponential form, which is 3 to the power of n is equal to 81. So do you get how to turn 81 into the 3 to the power of something? We need to times 3 by 4 times, which is 3 to the 4. So now I want to turn that 81 into the 3 to the power of 4. Then you can see that n value is equal to 4. That means log base 3 of 81, the value is equal to 4. So this is the answer for question number A. So let's try to apply the same idea to question number B, which is equal to n, and turn that into the 5 to the power of n equals to 625. To turn 625 into 5 to the power of something, we have to multiply 5 by 4 times, which is 5 to the power of 4. So let's try to replace that value. Then 5 to the power of n is equal to 5 to the power of 4. So the n value is equal to 4. That means log base 5 of 625 is equal to 4. So this is the answer for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.